morning, everybody. Happy Monday. And for this Monday class, Miss Joy sent you lots and lots of printables inside the email today. And you will see all these printable pages, really cool activities for you to practice your fine motor skills, your numeracy, your literacy activities, and also your holding of the pencil, the grip of the pencil. Very good. And for you at the house, I have some ways to improve this. So just for you to see a little bit of an example of what I want you to do, I have a little exercise. It's a lot of fun actually. So you will see that inside the email there are printables just like this one. This is actually a drawing that Miss Joy did of a blue whale. So this is a sea animal. It's actually a very big one. The blue whale eats just plankton and eats seaweeds as well. And it's very big and it's just always in the sea. It doesn't go out of the water. Okay, so this big sea animal needs a lot of, look, fueling. Do you see the middle part? It's all in white. It's not right. It's supposed to be blue because it's a blue whale. Okay, so we need to get our Play-Doh. Oh, so if you have Play-Doh, if you have plasticine, or if you have any other kind of materials, maybe you have some clay as well, you can also do that. So what I want you to do, this is actually a fine motor skill. You see? I want you to use your fingers and you practice your pressing of the Play-Doh. So what we are going to do is that we are going to get little pieces of the Play-Doh just like this one, and we are going to feel the inside of the whale. So I sent you in the email, I sent you a whale. I also sent I sent starfish, and I also sent a shark and an octopus. So you can do this activity, this finger exercise, and you can choose any of those printables to do it with. Okay, so if you want to do this exact thing with the starfish, you can do it. You don't have to do it with the whale. If you want to do it with the octopus, you can do it with the octopus. You can do it also with the shark or with the starfish. Okay, I think I also sent you a literacy activity with the seahorse. So it's the same thing, but it's a little bit of a literacy activity because you have to trace the words, you have to trace the letters, okay? But just the same, you get the Play-Doh and you fill in the seahorse. So what Miss Joy is doing with one finger, you can, if you get too tired, you can put more fingers in, okay? You can get 2 fingers like this. So actually the exercise is for you to spread. You press and you spread. You press the Play-Doh. You press and you spread. You press and you spread. Spread like this. All right. You don't want to go out of the lines. You stay inside the line of the drawing. So if it's a starfish, you stay inside the line of the starfish. If it's a seahorse, just all the same, okay? But we don't want to leave any white spaces. So in the end, For example, if it's this blue whale, if it's a blue whale, it needs to be all filled in with blue Play-Doh. And if it's, in the case of the starfish, I think it's a purple, or is it pink starfish? I'm not sure. You get pink Play-Doh. If you don't have it, it's just fine. You got all kinds of starfish with all kinds of colors. And if you don't have this kind of blue Play-Doh, you can also do it with gray. Actually, you just need to have the finger exercise. This is the most important part for you to practice the pressing and the spreading of the Play-Doh, because this is going to make your hands and your fingers muscles strong enough so you can actually hold the grip of the pencil correctly. And so when it's time to color or trace or write, your hand will go from holding like the fist position and this to this position, and it won't hurt when you want to color or write. Because now I know it's a little bit difficult because your hand is soft and your muscles are young and a little bit immature. So you need to strengthen those muscles. What do we need to do? A lot of exercise. So this is the way we practice, and this is the way we get those muscles working. The finger exercise. So we press and we spread. We press and we spread. Okay, I'm sure you will do a great job.